Kei te poro te manatū whakahiato ora I ngā kirimana ki ngā rōpū Māori ērima e whakahaere ana I te Hōtaka Family Start. Ko te whāinga o te hōtaka nei he āwhina I ngā whānau whakaraerai he pēpi hou tā rātou. Ko te whānau o Waipareira tētahi o ngā rōpū kua kia nei ka mutu tā rātou kirimana hei te marama o Honohono I.
Oh, look, I indicated to them that I think they had the wrong information. And now I'm certain of it. So there's a dispute resolution process in the contracts. We'll go through that.
The advice that I have had is that they are one of 5 poor performers and that they are failing to adhere to some of the basic requirements of the Family Start Program manual and have not been able to successfully implement best practice advice.
If they'd pulled the contract on us this time last year, I would have surrendered. Because we were having difficulties. We'd moved to a $20 million new building, with major overhaul, re-engineering, putting in place systems to run whānau ora with or without government support. And so we had issues, right? But by November of last year, turned around, and we're in the top half of all providers right now, if you look at our February and March reportage. So don't accept that we've underperformed.
They have had something like 14 visits from the department on this very program since July last year.
So I said to the bloke, look, if we're that bad, let's call it quits now, right? This is in July last year. And he said, no, we'll run it, we'll keep running it, so long as you can prove that it can turn it around. That occurred. So there's legitimacy and truth in what Bennett says. Her timing is wrong, and her timing is not a coincidence. Whānau ora is reports coming out to set up a whole commissioning agency for it. Yeah, and I suspect that we're the meat and the sandwich over her and a couple of her mates in cabinet not wanting it. And so why would you knock out 5 Māori providers timing essentially right now? You have hundreds of millions of dollars other contracts at risk, non-Māori. Why is it just 5 Māori groups specific?
We're going to re-tender, and I imagine other providers will pick up that work. We've got at least 3 months until those contracts are up, and we will extend them slightly if we need to, so we've got a transition for those families that need it.
Oh, no, they're in the pipeline, and you can't unplug them. So that's another issue that you have to manage through. Yeah, because as you know, if you've got 225, at the moment we're at 90% full, you've got people that are exiting at 3 years, and you've got people entering at 1 year. So there are issues of some significance involved there.
Ko te tāhuhu rangapū tērā o Waipareira, a John Tamihere. 30 miliona tāra ia tau te rahi o te pūtea e whakapau ana e te kāwanatanga ki ngā kirimana Family Start 30 mārua. Hei tā te manatū whakahiato ora, koera tonu te rahi o te pūtea, ka whakapaua ki taua hōtaka, engari kei te whakarere kēhia, ngā tikanga whakapau.